In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a bank statement in Payoneer properly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to upload, and how to avoid the most common reasons for rejection. First, head to the Payoneer website and sign into your account. I recommend doing this on a desktop for the smoothest upload experience, but a mobile browser can work if your file is already saved on your device. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu, choose Settings. This is where you can manage your account details and access all verification tools in one place. Next, open the Verification Center. Here you'll see any pending requests that need your attention, such as bank verification, address verification, or other document requests. Find the item that specifically asks for a bank statement. If multiple items are listed, start with the one marked as required or urgent to prevent delays with your account. Select the bank statement request and click Upload to choose your file. Before you submit, make sure your document meets Payoneer's requirements. For the file format, PDF is recommended, but high-quality JPG or PNG files are also accepted. Other formats may be rejected, so stick to those three. For document quality, the statement must be clear, readable, and not blurry or pixelated. Do not crop the document. All edges and pages should be fully visible. If your statement spans multiple pages, include the complete document. The statement itself needs to show key details: your full name exactly as it appears on your Payoneer account, your residential address if it's being used for address verification, a recent date, typically within the last 3 months, and the bank's name or logo. If your name or address doesn't match your Payoneer profile, use a statement that does, or update your account details first to avoid a rejection. Avoid common mistakes by not uploading screenshots from a banking app, not editing or redacting information, and not submitting partial pages. The safest approach is to download the official PDF statement directly from your bank. When everything looks good, click Submit. You'll then need to wait while Payoneer reviews your document. Processing times can vary, so check the verification center or your email for updates. If your document is approved, your verification will be completed. If it's rejected, review the reason provided, correct the issue, and upload a new document. Quick recap: log in, go to your profile, open settings, enter the verification center, upload the correct document, and submit. That's it. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.